If you see the all-wheel drive disabled service required warning in the Volvo XC60, it means there are issues with the Haldex unit, which essentially acts as the rear differential system or the control modules that take part in its work. First of all, there is the DEM module that controls the Haldex system. Given the Haldex is not the most reliable part in the world and a lot of Volvo owners have had problems with it, many mechanics will tell you without a proper inspection that to replace the Haldex unit. This is basically the plug and play part that you just install and solve the problem, but they are not so cheap. So before you spend a lot of money, you should also check the DEM module that starts causing problems in cars that are 10 or 12 years old. The DEM stands for differential electronic module, and it directly controls the work of your Haldex system. It's located near the Haldex unit and it's not that easy to take off, but these units have one common problem. After about a decade of work, their sealant is not efficient anymore and may cause water leaks. The DEM module is located under the vehicle and is open to mud and water from the road, so it's no surprise that it gets affected by water damage when the sealant is bad. These modules can potentially be cleaned and reused, but this would cost you more than the new module. Also, please keep in mind that I'm not trying to tell you that the DEM unit is the only culprit of the all-wheel drive disabled message on the dash. The problem is that a lot of mechanics keep replacing expensive Haldex units when they see this warning, because earlier they were the only possible culprits, but now these DEM modules are often in charge of the warning and should also be looked at carefully.